So we decided to go on a hike today. And we've walked 2 seconds and we're out of breath already. Yeah. Look at all the big spiky rocks everywhere. It's pretty.
Here?
That's where the aliens are.
What?
This is the safe way. This way.
No, it's right here.
Are you sure you're supposed to go up that way? I don't want you breaking any legs.
It's only for leg. Did you fart?
No. Maybe. There's so much slate here. It's weird. So pretty. It's kind of scary. Whew. Okay, so we've made it halfway up the hill / mountain and we're still alive so far. I think climbing back down is going to be a bit scarier than
Show them how stiff is it.
I know. My mum and dad's going to be so mad when they see this.
Why?
Because they're going to be like, this is too dangerous to go down. And this is why you're going to break your legs and stuff.
Or you might die.
That's how steep it is. Like, I don't know how we're gonna get back down. We might be stranded here forever.
This is the scariest part. We're going down the hill. And look at this, it's so slippery. And we might die.
We're not gonna die. We'll say that.
Okay, alright.
We're maybe gonna find a better hill to go down, or a better hike to go up that's a little bit less scary before the sun sets. Let's go. So here you can see how steep the canyon is, or the bit that we're going down is. And I've had 100 mosquitoes trying to bite me already. It's so disgusting. Let's keep going. We made it down alive. I'm trying to.
Run!
No, I'm not running.
Run!
What if I die?
I'm here!